Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now at the moment, it's about time I replaced my roller on my Sigma, and it's a simple procedure. One small nut, so DIYs. There's your roller for a Sigma. It's tungsten, so it takes a bit to wear out. With the porcelain tiles, they wear pretty good these days. Years ago there used to be sort of rough tiles for round pools, and they wore out they wore out the wheel real quick, but these days it's pretty good. So we pop it in there. The bolt goes right through, and there's a little wee nut. But this has lasted, oh God, I don't know, I don't remember how long it's lasted. It's a long time. Just hold it with the pliers, because it's got the plastic in it, the nut, so it stays done up. I've had this Sigma for over 25 years, and it's you know, I don't need to replace it. I sort of think, oh Jesus, shall I get a new one? But I don't need to. It still cuts absolute fabulous, and it's 25 years old. It's been used 5 days a week for 25 years, so that shows you how good they are. We'll just tighten it up just a little bit more. Needs to be running freely, or rolling freely, I should say. That's it. Beauty. That shows you how well, or how maintenance free it is, because I thought I could lift this and slide my handpiece off and do it just, you know, like while I'm standing up instead of bending down to it, but nah. So that shows you how much I attend to it. So I'll just tighten up this. I'll oil up my bar in a sec, but I'll come back to you shortly. We'll see you soon. Bye.